everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. In today's video, we're going to learn 5 super important footwork steps that every salsero and salsera should know. This is level beginner to intermediate, and you can use it as a solo or shine or in your partnership dancing. Stay tuned.
Sobredosis de alegría de Cuba.
Ya tú me conoces. Ya llegué, duplicándote la dosis. Estoy aquí, ya tú me conoces.
Mira, ya llegué, ya estoy aquí. Como siempre, dándote ahí donde a ti te gusta y yo sé bien que te provoca. Pide lo que quieras que yo, Roberto.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give a quick explanation of the 5 footwork steps. And if you have any specific questions, you can always write it in the comment box, and I will promise you I will make a specific video for that. But because there's 5 elements, then we need to go a little bit fast. I'm going to do the main footwork, which is with the left leg facing you first and then behind from this angle, behind. All right, well, starting with the left, we started with the right turn. So we're going to do 3 steps to create a 360. My first step is going to going forward towards you. We go 1, and then I go, my second step is creating a 180, 2, and my third step is going to go to face you again. Okay, there's a lot of pivoting there. If you see that, I go 1, pivot, 2, pivot, and then 3, I just replace the weight. One more time, 1, 2, 3, and then my 5, 6, 7 is just the 5, 6, 7 of the basic, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that is the right turn. Now I'm going to turn around so you can see it better. We go 5, 6, starting with the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so now I'm going to do exactly the same element, but now for my ladies. Ladies, it's just the reverse for you, so you're going to start with your right leg. Again, I'm going to do it one time facing you and the other one from a different angle. So starting with the right, we're going to reverse, meaning we start now with the half of the basic. So we go 1, 2, 3. On 5, 6, 7, we do the 3 steps, 5, 6, 7. Okay, different angle, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, now for the second element or footwork step, we have the box. This one is a lot of fun because you can create it as tight or wide as you want, just for styling purposes. Now, again, starting with the left, we start with crossing in front of the right. That's your 1, 2, you go back, 3, side, 4, sorry, not 4, your 4th step, but the count 5, you cross in front, 6, forward, 7, close. Let's try it one more time. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but hang in there with me. Remember, we can always explain in detail, but you just need to let me know. So we go, cross, back, side. That's your 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're trying to create a little box on the floor. And then we go, cross behind, forward, and you want to close your feet because you're going to a different pattern. All right, now turning around, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross behind, forward, close. All right, now from the ladies' perspective, we start with the right. Remember, we always just switch things around. So we go cross behind, forward, close, cross in front, back, close. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, now let's go to footwork step number 3, which is the left turn. Again, I'm going to start with my left foot. I'm going to go first like if I was doing my 1, 2 of the basics. So I go like just making sure that I cheat a little bit towards the left, yeah, just to start creating that motion of the turn. So I go 1, 2, on 3, I make sure I already completed my 180, yeah? And then I go a step forward. On 5, I change my mind, switch my weight on 6, and then 7, I close my feet. One more time. I go 1, 2, it's a rock step there. 3, I look towards this wall. On 5, I want to keep going forward, but then I change my mind on 6, and then close my feet on 7. From the other angle, I'm here, I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, now from the lady's perspective, it's going to be a little bit tricky there. So we're going to start with half of the basic. We go 1, 2, 3. On 5, we're going to do exactly the same thing as the guy, but with the only difference that we have less time. So in 3 steps, we're going to make this happen. We go diagonally forward, we go back, and then 180 by 7, and we pivot a lot on that leg. One more time. I know it's a little tricky, so I'm going to try to go slower. We go 1, 2, 3. We go 5, 6. On 7, I put my weight on the left, and I pivot to complete my 180. I'm going to turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you guys, so now for element number 4, or footwork step number 4, we have this slide. This one is a lot of fun. So we do half of the basic, starting with the left again, half of the basic, 1, 2, 3. On 5, we cross behind. On 6, we take a big slide step, and then close your feet on 7. Don't forget, because the most common mistake is just to stay here, and then it's like, right? So make sure you switch your weight, so then you can start again on the left. Remember, as a leader, yeah? All right, I'm going to do it one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, behind, 6, 7. From another angle, we go 1, 2, 3, cross behind, slide 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, cross behind, 6, 7. All right, guys, now for step number 5, which is the Suzy Q. This one is a little bit tricky. So the first thing you need to understand is that you have to put your weight all towards the ball of your feet. Yeah, so the whole action is going to be just swiveling or pivoting on the ball of your feet, like when you used to do the twist, if you're that age. If not, then Google it. Okay, so let's try this. We're going to cross first in front, and then on twist. So pretty much we twist our hips, neutral, twist, yeah? And then we switch, twist, neutral, twist, and everything happens on the ball of the feet. So this is this action. Let's try that one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, and then we go 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now for my ladies, same thing, just starting with the right leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And good luck. All right, you guys, just for the sake of practicing something, we're going to put this together as a shine. We're going to respect the same order as the demonstration, which will be basic, just to start with the rhythm. And then we do the right turn, box, left turn, slide, and then the Suzy Q. And then we're going to finish with the basic. So it's going to be a count of 7/8. And I'm going to do it in that order just because we need to practice something. But please remember, the cool thing about this whole thing is that if you know your separate steps, you can always mix and match as you desire. Or you can choose to do, just some of them and not the other ones. It's up to you. Use your creativity once you feel comfortable with that. All right? Okay, cool. Let's do it to the count. I'm going to first face you and then turn around. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now the box. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the slide. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Suzy Q. 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Box. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Slide. 2, 3, 5, 6. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, ladies, starting with the right foot. 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Box. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we have the left turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. And we have the slide. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And Suzy Q. 5, 6, 7. Just to make it clear, ladies, for the slide, at the end of the slide, I added little styling there, just because I don't want to make it boring with the second half of the basic. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you, just to make it clear. I go 1, 2, 3, this is the slide, and then I just go like a little Suzy Q or booty, yeah? And then I go into my regular Suzy Q. Remember, you can always switch the order of it just accordingly to whatever fits you, okay? And if you have any questions, please just comment. All right, I'm going to turn around. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Box. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. And slide. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Suzy Q. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Now, let's give it a try to the music.
Sobredosis de alegría de Cuba. de ahí donde a ti te gusta y yo sé bien que te provoca. Pide lo que quieras que yo, Roberto, pide por esa.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and share, and remember, show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to also click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And I love your comments, you guys. If you have any suggestions, any questions, anything to add on, please go ahead and comment below. And I will see you guys next time.